Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F36 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. You can see incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do a hard reset, first connect your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G to the laptop and PC with the help of USB cable. Okay, now I'm going to connect it to my laptop. So as you can see, it is successfully connected. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Press and hold it, and when the screen turn off, release it and press and hold the volume up and power button together. And now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now unplug the cable. So now you are in Android recovery mode. You can see volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see guys, on top, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data stored on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all stored data on your SD card will also be lost. Now go to factory data reset and confirm. And you can see on bottom, data wipe complete. So here you can see now the data wipe is successfully completed. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy F36 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.